You know when you're scrolling through your feed and you just stop because you see someone with that unbelievably perfect, glowing skin? That's what everyone's calling Korean glass skin. It looks so flawless, it's almost unreal. Well, today we're going to pull back the curtain and show you exactly what it is and a specific ritual that's designed to get you that exact same glow.
I mean, let's be real, who isn't dreaming of that? That super clear, super dewy look that just screams health and hydration. It really is the ultimate skincare goal for so many of us, but man, it can feel totally out of reach sometimes.
So, what even is glass skin? It's definitely not about caking on a bunch of highlighter. The real goal is to get your skin so healthy, so hydrated, so smooth that it literally has this natural, reflective shine, just like a piece of glass. We're talking about a glow that comes from deep down, not something that just sits on top.
And here's the best part. Getting this look isn't some crazy, impossible secret. Nope, it's all about having the right routine, one that's consistent and really well designed. And today, we're going to walk through a curated K-beauty ritual that lays out the entire roadmap for you.
Okay, so let's get right to it. The solution we're talking about is the Riman incellderm Expert Ritual Set. Now, this isn't just a bunch of random products thrown in a box. It's a complete, all-in-one system designed to turn your everyday routine into a true, luxurious self-care ritual.
So you might be asking, why this specific set? Well, for starters, it takes all the guesswork out of building a routine. It's already a complete, perfectly curated system. It's this amazing blend of advanced science and natural ingredients. And if you have sensitive skin, it's formulated to be super gentle. Plus, and this is important to me, it's cruelty-free. So you're getting a routine that actually works and feels good to use.
I know a multi-step Korean beauty routine can sound, well, a little intimidating, but it really doesn't have to be. Let's break down this Riman ritual into its main parts so you can see just how simple and effective it is at building that incredible glass skin effect.
Okay, here's the entire game plan. It's all about smart layering. You kick things off with a double cleanse to get a perfectly clean slate. First the oil, then the enzyme cleanser. Simple. Next, you prep and balance your skin with a mist and a calming gel. Now, you got to pay close attention to step 3. This is what they call the hydration sandwich, and it is absolutely key. You spray a hydrating booster, apply the serum, and then you spray the booster again. This little trick helps push all that amazing moisture deep into your skin and just locks it in. To finish, you seal everything in with a nourishing cream and, of course, protect that beautiful skin with sunscreen in the morning.
All right, so following the steps is one thing, but what we're all really here for is the transformation, right? So let's talk about the actual visible results you can expect to see and feel. This is the good part.
I absolutely love this quote because it nails the immediate feeling you get. This isn't just about waiting weeks for results. From the very first time you use it, this ritual makes your skin feel so pampered and hydrated, it's honestly like you just stepped out of a high-end spa.
And if you stick with it, the long-term benefits are even better. People are seeing real, visible reductions in fine lines and dark spots. Their pores even look smaller. It's because the system tackles everything at once, from deep hydration to improving texture, all to get you that signature, luminous glow that is the absolute definition of glass skin.
So there you have it. You know what glass skin is, you know the solution, and you've seen the incredible results. Now, it's really just about taking that first step on your own journey to getting that amazing glow.
So, the big question is, are you ready to finally try a routine that's actually designed to make glass skin your reality? This is your chance to turn your daily skincare chore into a ritual that delivers results you can actually see in the mirror.
If you're nodding your head yes right now, here is exactly where you need to go. You can get the 100% authentic Riman incellderm Expert Ritual Set at kbeauty-usa.com. That's kbeauty-usa.com. Make sure you go there to get the real deal.
And check this out. When you shop at kbeauty-usa.com, you get more than just the products. You get total peace of mind because every single item has the Riman Authenticity Seal. Plus, and this is huge, you get free shipping on your order. And as if that wasn't enough, there is no tariff fee. It is hands down the best and easiest way to get this incredible K-beauty ritual sent right to your doorstep.
You know, at the end of the day, this is about so much more than just products. It's about changing your mindset. Let's just end on this thought. What if your skincare routine wasn't just another thing on your to-do list, but it actually became a moment of inspiration for you every single day? That's the real transformation here. Thanks so much for tuning in.